Lipat apartment, pahakot, pasakay.
Thank you.
Lipat apartment, pahakot, pasakay.
Thank you po.
Lipat apartment, pahakot, pasakay.
Thank you po.
Lipat apartment, pahakot, pasakay.
Thank you.
Lipat apartment, pahakot, pasakay.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Lipat apartment, pahakot, pasakay.
Yun, thank you, sir.
Lipat apartment, pahakot, pasakay.
Yun, thank you, sir.
Lipat apartment, pahakot pasakay.
Yun, thank you.
Lipat apartment,
Pahakot, pasakay.
pasakay.
Thank you.
Lipat apartment, pahakot, pasakay.
Yun, yung...
Apartment, pahakot, pasakay.
Yun, thank you po, thank you po.
Lipat bahay, pahakot, pasakay.
Thank you, ma.
Pahakot pasakay.
Thank you, thank you. Thank you, ate.
Sa mga lipat bahay, pahakot pasakay.
Yun, thank you.
Sa mga lipat apartment dyan, pahakot, pasakay.
Thank you, ma.
Sa mga maglilipat, bahay, PM nyo lang si Kuya.
Pahakot, pasakay. Thank you, thank you.
Lipat apartment, pahakot pasakay.
Yun, thank you po.
Pahakot pasakay lang po.
Ayun, thank you, sir.
Pahakot, pasakay.
Yan.
Digit. Pag gusto nyo magpahakot, message nyo lang sa kuya.
Yun, thank you, ma'am.
Hello, good morning po. Pahakot pasabay na po kayo kay sir.
Yeah, thank you.
Sa mga gusto magpahakot at pasakay, PM lang kayo sa page nila kuya.
Okay, thank you, ate.
Thank you, Master B-Jam. Pahakot, pasakay na kayo.
Pahakot pasakay.
Yun, thank you.
Pahakot, pasakay.
Yan, thank you, sir.
Pahakot pasakay.
Yan, thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Salamat.